Hey guys, Alex Hansen here with 2A Scooters. I'm going to be teaching you how to install a Proto SES compression system. So, first thing you're going to need is the Proto itself, right there. Comes with 5 bolts. There's 4 on the side, and there's the one that goes into your forks through your startup. So, through your top cap. So first step you want to do is take your Proto. It comes with the top cap too and a shim. Some more things that you're going to need are threadless forks and a threadless headset. You're also going to need your bars with the slit cut off, or else they'll snap. So, but don't worry, the Proto raises your bars 2 inches, so you'll be fine. So, first step you want to do is take your top cap or your BMX one, because these ones break really easily. Bam, drop that in there. Take your shim. This thing, I like mine lined up. And then you just pop it right down, like that. Shim is in there. So, then you want to take it and you want to slide it onto your fork. If it, my friend's, his is too, like, tight. Not tight, but, like, his, his Proto is, like, too compressed together. So he has to stretch it out with a penny, and to do that, you just put it in the threaded side, or the opposite side that you would usually put it into, and put a penny in that slit and it'll stretch the Proto out, but you want to do it on the very bottom one. So that's how you do that. And then it'll slip right on your fork. Let me check, make sure. This part, it's kind of hard having one that's really loose. One second, sorry about this. Yeah, so right there, looks straight to me. So after you've done that, you want to take this 5mm Allen key, start tightening your Proto up. The bolt on the inside, you might have to fiddle around with it a little bit. This right here is like your last chance to straighten it up and make sure that it's straight. So tighten it up, make sure it's straight, like I said. Bam, once it gets like that, then what I do, you don't have to do this. I'm just really picky about how tight my headset is. So what I do is I take an Allen key, a 5mm Allen key, put it like that. And I take pliers, these, Robo Grip, and I grab the Allen key and I twist just so it gets extra tight. And I just twist it like not even half of a turn. So it's like that. And that looks straight to me. Yeah, so once you get that, you want to take your bars with the slit cut off. Slip those on into your Proto. You don't need the shim if you have oversized 3/8 bars. after that, you want to tighten your proto bolts up. Now you don't want to tighten one as tight as it'll go, and then do the next one as tight as it'll go, because that will lock your bolts up and strip them. So you just want to take them a little bit at a time, like this. Oh, you can't see it, so let me pop this up here. Boom. So like that, and then you just want to tighten them down from top to bottom. They're not tight right now. Gotta re-straighten up my bars. There, seems good. Tighten this bottom bolt up. Alright, then you want to go from the top. Tighten that a little bit. And go down one. Tighten that one a little bit. Tighten the next one a little bit. Tighten the next bolt a little bit. So you just want to do that until you can't tighten them no more. Almost done. This is a good compression. Just putting that out there if you're going to get one. They're a little spendy, but that's because you're getting quality. HIC is good. It's almost about the same, because this and HIC barely ever come loose. ICS is horrible, and it always comes loose. So that's how you install a Proto SCS compression system. Thanks for watching. Please make sure to comment, rate, subscribe, and thumbs up. Thanks. Bye.